Welcome to eBaum's Computer Education Training channel. Please subscribe to my channel for training in computer education by clicking the red button below the video description. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Let's start to learn. Starting new publications. When you first start Publisher, you see the Getting Started window, from which you can start a new publication or open an existing one. The Getting Started window provides several options for starting a new publication, such as the following. If you need help to designing the publication layout, you can base the publication on one of the design templates that comes with Publisher. If none of these templates meets your needs, you can download a sample publication from Microsoft Office Online and then customize it. You can also base publications on your own custom templates. Tip: New publications are continually being added to Office Online, so visit the site occasionally to see what's new. Using a template. Creating a publication from a blank page is time-consuming and requires quite a bit of design skill and knowledge about Publisher. Even people with intermediate and advanced Publisher skills can save time by capitalizing on the work someone else has already done. In the Getting Started window, you can choose a publication type, preview thumbnails of the available designs of that type, and experiment with different color schemes and font schemes. Tip: The templates that come with Publisher, as well as those that are available from Office Online, have associated keywords. You can type a keyword in the Search for Templates box at the top of the Getting Started window and then click the Search button, the green arrow to the right of the search location list, to display thumbnails of templates to which that keyword has been assigned. When you create a publication based on a template, you are not opening the actual template file. Instead, you are creating a new file that includes all the placeholders, graphic elements, and formatting of the template. You customize the publication with your own information, typing text and placing graphics and other elements in the placeholders provided. The new file is temporary until you save it. Importing a Word document. To import the text of a Word document into a publication, you click Import Word Documents in the Publication Types list and then choose a document design, page size, and column layout. Publisher converts the document and inserts it into a new publication, adding as many pages as necessary to hold the complete document. You can then add a title and replace any other placeholders that are part of the design, or you can add new elements to suit the purpose of the publication. Quick Publication Template. 1. Click the Start button, click All Apps, then click Ms. Publisher. 2. In the panel of the Getting Started window, under Publication Types, click Quick Publications as shown. Under the Publication Type heading at the top of the center pane is a list of template categories for the selected publication type, followed by a link to the templates of this type that are available from Office Online. Clicking the link displays the online templates under the Microsoft Office Online Templates heading rather than opening a separate Internet browser window. Thumbnails of the available publication templates appear in category order. The right pane displays a larger thumbnail of the selected template, and any available customization options. 3. In the category list at the top of the center panel, click Any Designs. The pane scrolls to display thumbnails of the ready-made designs for one-page announcements or cover pages. The selected publication is indicated by a customized frame. A larger thumbnail and the customization options that you can set before you create the publication appear in the right panel. 4. In the right pane, under Options, click the Layout arrow, to the right of the large picture at top setting, and then in the list, click Large Picture in the middle. All the thumbnails change to show this layout option. 5. In the lower right corner of the window, click Create. A publication based on the selected template opens in a new Publisher Program window. The Publisher Program window displays all the tools you need to customize the publication. You carry out most tasks by clicking commands on menus or buttons on toolbars. Common tasks you might want to perform for the current publication are gathered in one convenient place in the Format Publication Task panel to the left of the Publication workspace. Closing publication. If more than one publication is open, you can close the active publication by clicking the Close button at the right end of the title bar. If only one publication is open, clicking the Close button closes the publication and quits Publisher. If you want to close the publication but leave Publisher open, you must click Close on the File menu. Publisher then displays the Getting Started window so that you can choose another publication to work on. In this exercise, you will save a new publication in a new folder. 1. Display the two-page publication based on the importing document. 2. On the standard toolbar, click the Save button. The Save As dialog box opens. In the File Name box, Word suggests a possible name for this file. 3. If your Save As dialog box does not display the navigation panel, click the Browse Folders button. You can now easily navigate to different locations, change the folder view, and create new folders. 4. Then rename that folder with another name and then click the Save button. From now on, you can click the Save button at any time you want to quickly save changes to this file. Publisher already knows the name of this file, so instead of asking you to name the file, it simply overwrites the previous version with the new version. Note: if Publisher asks whether you want to save changes when you close the publication, click No. 5. On the File menu, click Close to close the file without quitting Publisher. Custom templates. If you create a special publication layout that you might want to use for future publications, you can save the publication as a custom template and then use it as the basis for new publications as you would a built-in template. To save a publication as a template. 1. On the File menu, click Menu, click Save As then Browse. 2. In the File Name box of the Save As dialog box, type a name for the template. 3. Click the Save As type arrow, and then in the list, click Publisher Template. Publisher displays your default templates folder. Note: for a template to be available from the My Templates page, it must be stored in the default templates folder. If you store a template in a different folder, you can browse to that folder and double-click the template file to open a new publication based on the template. If you want to assign the template to a specific category, select the category from the list or select the current category and type the name of a new category. Then click OK. 4. Type your file name and then click Save. To create a new publication based on the custom template. 1. In the left panel of the Getting Started window, under Microsoft Publisher, click Personal. The My Personal page displays templates stored in the default templates folder, organized by category. 2. Click New, then click the template you want and then click Create. Publisher opens a new publication based on your custom template. The simplest way to change a custom template after you save it is to create a publication based on the template, make the changes, and then save the revised publication as a template, with the original template name, overwriting the old one. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button below the video description.